Hello everybody, once again welcome back to my channel Handmade Hues. Today I am going to share you the basic requirements for a resin project. So the first thing, as you know, if you are a beginner, I am telling, if you are not a beginner, then you must be knowing that you need a epoxy and a hardener. And the second thing is you need some molds and some like silicone sticks, then wet machine to measure the products, and main part is the safety precautions you need to take. The first safety precaution you are going to take is the gloves, which will protect your hand. The second precaution you need is a apron. If you spill the resin, then it will not hamper your cloth. The third thing is the respiratory mask, which you need to do if you are working over a bigger project. If you are going for smaller projects, like I do maximum smaller projects, so I didn't require till now. So, and the main part is the well ventilated environment, or the room which you are working should be well ventilated, so that there would be enough flow of air inside the room, and it will not affect your breathing or something like that. So these are the main things you need before starting a resin project. So stay tuned for the next video. I will be sharing you some practical things and every other detail you need to start a project. Basic things I have just said you, and you must be knowing, some must be knowing, some may be beginners. So you can ask me in the comment section what if you have any doubt, or you can just stay tuned for my next video to get some more information on this, and you can easily start your project. So I'm going to give you more and more details, because the resin is completely a experimental thing. So you need to just see my video and you have to learn it. So I'm going to give you enough of knowledge that I have acquired in these years working with resin. Thank you, and see you in my next video with some more informations. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.